What if I told you the reason you keep failing isn't because you're lazy, it's because you've been lied to. You're not broken, you're just playing the wrong game. Real growth isn't about willpower. It's about hijacking your brain's reward system. And once you do, you'll crave progress like an addict craves a fix. Let's rewire your mind, starting now. By the end of this video, you'll have a battle-tested system to 1. Turn hard, work into an addiction. Your brain will beg you to improve. 2. Lock in habits permanently. No more starting tomorrow. 3. Make progress automatic, while others rely on motivation. This isn't theory, it's neuroscience-backed manipulation of your brain's reward circuits, and it works whether you're lazy, distracted, or just sick of failing. Let's start with the exact same trick social media uses to keep you scrolling for hours. 1. The dopamine trap. Your brain doesn't care about goals. It craves wins. Tiny, immediate victories that feed your dopamine loop. 1 push-up, boom. 1 page, done. 1 tiny action becomes a flood of chemical reward. That's the same hit that makes TikTok irresistible. And you're about to use it to build your empire. Action. Right now, do 1 micro task. Comment done. Feel that dopamine kick in? That's your new addiction being born. 2. The streak effect. No 0 days. Ever felt that strange panic when you lost a Snapchat streak? That's your brain crying over lost consistency. Use that pain. Build your own chain, even if it's just 1 minute a day. No 0 days. Here's the hack. Get a wall calendar. Every day you show up, mark a bold red X. Watch the chain grow, day by day, week by week. That visual streak will trigger pride and fear. 1 blank square, it screams at you. Miss a day. You've got 24 hours to redeem it by doing double the next day. Example, skip Monday's workout, do 2 sessions Tuesday. Science backs this. It blocks the "I already failed, might as well quit" trap. One of the biggest reasons people fall off habits. 3. The no willpower environment. Environment greater than willpower. Think you're in control? You're not. Your environment is. Willpower is a myth when your phone's screaming at you, junk food's 2 feet away, and your workspace is chaos. Want to win? Trap yourself. Hide your phone. Lay out your gym gear before bed. Delete the apps. Make distraction harder than action, and watch how easy success becomes. 4. The identity drug. Stop saying "I'm trying." That's weak. Say "I'm built for this." Your brain is desperate to prove itself right. Want to be a reader? Say it out loud. Then read 1 page. Want to be an athlete? Move for 5 minutes. The more you act in alignment with your identity, the more your brain locks it in, and soon, missing a day will feel like betrayal of who you are. The Power Hour. Focus isn't a talent, it's a trained addiction. Work for 50 minutes, rest for 10, 1 hour, 0 distractions, close your tabs, shut the noise. Deep work equals deep dopamine. After 1 session, reward yourself. Walk, eat clean, train your brain to crave the grind. 6. The 1% rule. Want exponential growth. Forget going all in. Go 1% in, daily. 1 push-up today, 2 tomorrow, 1 page, then 3. 1% daily isn't small. It's domination over time. Stack those wins until you're unrecognizable. 1% daily for a year equals 37 times better you. That's not motivation. That's math. Here's the twist. Once you start this loop, you'll get addicted. Miss a day? It'll feel like withdrawal. Skip a workout? It'll gnaw at you. That's when you know it's no longer habit, it's identity, it's your drug. And this is the only addiction that pays you in confidence, health, wealth, and self-respect. For life. Start now. 1 micro win. 1 page, 1 representative, 1 minute. Then comment. Chain started. Let's see who stays addicted the longest.